A gloomy day across central Illinois as we continue to talk about overcast skies, and with that, the chance of rain persisting across the area. But our current temperatures sitting right around 50 degrees across the area. 45 in Bloomington, 51 here in Decatur, even down towards that I-70 corridor, and 49 out in Danville. Now the wind has been rather breezy out of the south right now, about 10 to 20 miles per hour. You can see obviously 17 here in Decatur. Peak wind gusts today getting just slightly over 25 miles per hour. And we're already starting to look at the showers rolling out. For the time being, you're going to notice, yes, if you're towards the Marshall, Paris area, some lingering showers near that I-70 corridor. But overall, we're going to be trending dry for a couple hours here. And then more rain comes through as we head into tonight, with maybe the possibility of an embedded thunderstorm just after midnight, lingering until about midday tomorrow. So while we continue to talk about those rain showers, we're not going to be done until we start to get in the early portion of your weekend, as what's out towards Denver starts to roll our way. This afternoon, I'm not going to talk about a widespread opportunity for showers. They're going to be a stray kind of hit or miss opportunity, and they're going to be very light as we do start to trend a bit drier for a couple hours again until we start to get into tonight. That's when we're talking about some widespread opportunity for showers, especially after midnight. We could see a rolling embedded thunderstorm or two, but we're really going to mainly hold off until we start to get into 5, 6 o'clock in the morning. Then this line of showers and thunderstorms start to roll through. This is really kind of the thing that's in question going into tomorrow, is what exactly comes with it. We know there's going to be some moderate to heavier rainfall, but at the same time, a few thunderstorms could be possible, maybe producing stronger winds, maybe on the off chance, an isolated chance for some hail. So we're going to keep a close eye on that as we start to progress into tomorrow morning. Again, that would be just before many of our morning commutes between about 5 to 8 a.m. Could linger until about 10 a.m. by the time it starts to roll out. At that point in time, we're talking cloudy conditions across the area. But again, as it is in question, we're going to be talking about a marginal risk for severe weather going into tomorrow. Now, what does this mean? It just means it's an isolated, short-lived potential for a thunderstorm to be strong to severe. Mainly, the biggest threat with this would be some strong winds. Now, winds are already going to be quite gusty, upwards about 35 miles per hour tomorrow. So if a thunderstorm produces a slightly stronger gust, it's not going to be out of the realm of questioning. I think maybe it gets near 60 mile per hour wind gusts, and that itself would be meet the criteria for severe weather. But again, it's going to be an isolated chance for this with limited intensity across the area. So something we're going to keep an eye on is just the likelihood that you see something isn't widespread and it's not very high. But as we start to look at our temperatures, well, we're talking getting near the 60-degree mark across the area today. Our average high sits around 53 degrees here in Decatur, so to get to 57, 55 in Champaign, or even 61 out in Jacksonville is great. However, it's short-lived, because while we do get back into the mid to lower 50s tonight, this is your low tonight. Of course, that's moderated by the incoming chance of rain, and it's quite mild for this time of year. But that 7-day forecast shows the mid-60s tomorrow. However, temperatures will be dropping by the time we progress into the afternoon and evening, all the way down to 38 degrees. With a few lingering showers by the time we get into your Friday, maybe even lingering into the first half of Saturday. Temperatures kind of struggling in a sense, back in the mid to upper 40s. Seasonable weather is exactly what this forecast has in mind for us, because after the chances of rain move out about midday Saturday, we're talking more sunshine Sunday before a few clouds, maybe a stray chance for some precipitation come Monday, but it's not a widespread opportunity right now.